Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. When I follow my heart, it leads me to you. I wish I could turn back the clock. I'd find you sooner and love you longer. I just want to lay on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. I look at you and see the rest of my life in front of my eyes. And then my soul saw you and it kind of went, "Oh, there you are. I've been looking for you." To be your friend was all I ever wanted. To be your lover was all I ever dreamed. Your voice is my favorite sound. You make my heart smile. The greatest happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. I have waited for this opportunity for more than half a century to repeat to you once again my vow of eternal fidelity and everlasting love. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. I found you, and nothing else matters. I saw that you were perfect, and so I loved you. Then I saw that you were not perfect, and I loved you even more. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. In all the world, there is no heart for me like yours. In all the world, there is no love for you like mine. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. True love is rare, and it's the only thing that gives life real meaning. My love for you is a journey, starting at forever and ending at never. You're my person. If I know what love is, it is because of you. You are my heart, my life, my one and only thought. I never want to stop making memories with you. You're the one I've been waiting for. You are my favorite notification. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other.